Welcome friends, Local Florida Gal here. Let's go ahead and ride Aerosmith's Rock and Roller Coaster.
We got company.
Hey,
Wow.
Hey.
All right.
Two people.
Right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
What's that? Hey.
What are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show.
I'm working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go. Come on.
Chris, can you grab my black list, Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No!
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Hey.
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on. Make it happen.
Give me some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Right. Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's out in the
Here we go.
St. James broadcasting live from the hottest show in town, the Aerosmith concert. I almost didn't make it in time because traffic is jammed in all directions, but don't worry, we got you covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
Have a magical day.